for the 1-2. And stays alive. And there's another foul tip for Alex Avila, who is a baseball magnet.
It's contagious, Joe. Once you get one, they keep coming in with rapidity, it seems. This one right to the chest protector.
This is pitch number 6. And that catches Avila again. I mean, almost staggered after that foul ball off his mask.
Almost knocked him back. Watch. Had to put his right hand on the ground behind him.
And a glancing blow on a foul tip. The 1-1. Popped up. Shallow right. Torrey Hunter a long way to go, but good speed to get there. And let's go back to the home plate umpire, Dan Iasonia, after one of those nasty foul balls off of Avila.
Man, Alex.
You've been getting beat up.
I'm going to give you a second, though. And he gets beat up like nobody's business, man.
In the throat?
No, right in the face, I think.
Oh, gee.
Yeah.
That's been happening pretty much all series as Stephen Drew takes a strike.